Hey there! I am senior full-stack game developer from past approximate 10 years. 100 plus prototypes, one full title, free arcade idle genre. Worked with many companies and publishers as professionally. Wants not only make money but also satisfy game users. My aims to provide the innovative gaming experience in the industry. Now wants to open game development services to you. Best at C#, Unity, FX, level designs, level creating, graphics, lighting, post-process effects, optimization, smooth and attractive gameplay, unique features, AI, and much more in gaming field. Regards!
Check the video description to hire this Fiverr gig.